Do you know how to make possessives using s? Well, today I am going to teach you that. Possessives are used to say that somebody owns something. For example, if I want to say that Peter owns a car, I would say Peter's car. This is the same as saying, this is the car that belongs to Peter. But it is more usual to use s. The possessive is formed with an apostrophe plus s. For plural words, you just add the apostrophe. So don't add the extra s. Look at these examples. The girl's book. John's car. The country's largest city. James's house. That's it for today. Have a look at the grammar sheet and do some exercises. I will see you next lesson.